Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a toilet seat cover from toilet paper. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to make a disposable toilet seat cover, something that you can use and then dispose of it in the toilet really easily, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you two variations, okay? Essentially, you're going to be using regular toilet paper that you see over there to make a cover for your toilet seat that you will be using. Now, the first option, the first variation is just to do it with a single ply toilet paper. So, I mean, obviously you can use 2-ply or 3-ply, but a single layer of that 2-ply, 3-ply, single-ply toilet paper. So a single layer of toilet paper. So essentially you want to have 4 pieces of toilet paper. The first one's going to go along the front like that, okay? The second one is going to go along the side, and obviously it can be a little bit too big. It's better for it to be a little bit too big than a little bit too small. The third one's going to go along the side as well over here. Okay, just bear with me because I'm doing it with one hand. Obviously, it's a little bit easier to do with 2 hands, but I'm doing it with one hand right now. And the fourth one is going to go over here along the back. So we now have 4 pieces. Okay, so that you get the idea here. I'm not gonna put that on the toilet seat, but we essentially have 4 pieces of toilet paper. This one would go along the back over there. Okay, very simple. And when you're done with it, you just flush it down the toilet regularly because it's toilet paper, okay? So you flush it down like that. Now, the second, there it goes, see you later. The second variation is going to be the double layer toilet paper toilet seat cover. So right here, what I've done is I've actually sectioned off 4 pieces, 2 small for the back and the front, two larger ones for the sides of toilet paper, and it is actually 2 layers. So what I've done is I've gotten a double layer and I folded it like that. Okay, so I folded it, and you want to try and make it as even as possible. Just makes it a little bit easier to work with, but it doesn't need to be perfect because you're going to dispose of it after. So for the first one, okay, like I said, it's a double layer. You can see there's two layers. Okay, I folded it to keep it together. The first one goes at the front like that. The second one goes on the side like this. I'm going to try and not let these ones fall in. The third one goes over here on the other side. Bear with me. Let's do our best. Oh, that's close, but we're working with it. Here we go. The third one goes on this side over here like that. Obviously, try and keep it, on the seat as much as possible. And the fourth one goes at the back. Let's see if we can do this. We're going to try this like that. Perfect. Look at that. We now have a double. I would pull this like that, just to really make it well. And I would, obviously, these would go on the outside. I'd bring these to the outside. Like I'll make it look as if this is really what I was doing right now, okay? This is just an example, but this is really how I would do it. Something like that, okay? You have a nice overhang on either side, just for some added coverage. And yeah, that's basically it. And then when you're done, like I said, I'm not going to do it again. You don't need to see me flush more toilet paper down the toilet, but you just flush it down and you're good. So if you want to make a toilet seat cover and you want to do it with toilet paper, it's easy to do. I know that, you get those toilet seat covers that like they sometimes at like public restrooms, you pull them out and then you can use them on the toilet seat, but not every public place has those, right? Sometimes you go to the mall and they might have them available, but sometimes they run out, or sometimes they're just not available to begin with. And you might want to create a toilet seat cover, and all that you have available is toilet paper, which I'm assuming you have available, and you can do it. So if you are in a public place and either they've run out of toilet seat covers or there isn't any toilet seat cover available and you want to create one, this is how you can do it. I've given you 2 variations. It's super easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.